Alright guys, so you've seen me review several cars in the past. A Maserati in 2010. Well, I didn't film it in 2010. I think I filmed it in 2015. But the 2010 Maserati, the stupid 2014 Cruze that I still own, unfortunately, and the 2014 Honda that I rented for a day when the Cruze, surprisingly, was in the shop a day after I bought it. And then, most recently, before today, was the 2023 Hemi Chrysler 300S. Love that car. It was the best rental I've ever owned. Or, I didn't own it. Best rental I've ever had, I should say. Because one, I didn't pay a dime for it. And two, it was fast. It was a Hemi. I think 5.7 liter or something like that. I don't know. I'm just saying numbers. So, today's video, we are going to look at the 2019 Lincoln Navigator. Beautiful red Navigator. Fully loaded, 8,000 miles, 22-inch wheels, factory. Quite the machine. I just got done driving it. So, in case you're wondering, no, it's not mine. I'm not made of money. I do YouTube more as a hobby than anything else, so definitely not YouTube money, but it's very nice. So, I actually have the key fob right here. Let me show you that. So, it's got a remote start. It's got lock and unlock, and I love that when I start making videos, people show up, so that's cool. But, yeah, we're gonna get inside and take a look at this beautiful truck. So, here we go. It's unlocked, so I'm just gonna open the door, and as you can see, the running boards come out. Very nice. Lights up Lincoln. Super nice. You've got your seat controls. It's got heated seats, air conditioned seats. It's got a massager, so you can massage your back while driving, which I've tried, and it's very distracting. So, inside we've got a screen there, really big, massive sunroof. I don't know what to call it, sunroof or roof, but sunroof. You've got accent lights everywhere, and yes, you can change the accent lights, which I'll show you here in a second. So let's get in the car itself. And let's see if we can just turn get the car to turn on. No key detected. So the battery is dead in this key fob. So you actually have to press it. You have to put it in the glove box. Not a huge deal. It goes. Where's it go? Not there. This comes out. Okay. So the car comes alive, of course. There's the infotainment. There's the accent lights. Very nice. You can change colors. And in fact, let's do that. So let's go to settings. I'm in settings. Okay. Ambient lighting. Okay. They call it ambient, accent, ambient, whatever. So we have red, because the car's red. There's blue. Green. See that? Lilac. This one is pink. Amber. Yellow. White. I'll leave it on blue. I like blue. Though it makes more sense to have it on red because, you know, again, the car is red itself. But, yeah. So, 8,211 miles. And, yeah, like I said, 2018. So, my stepdad and mom inherited this car from his parents, who were still alive. They decided to give it to him early. And they're actually going to not keep this. They have a really nice 2018 Toyota 4Runner that they love. And they don't need two SUVs. So, they're actually going to sell this. So, they're asking $70,000. This is a big reach. If you guys are interested in buying it, hit me up. you will have to travel to Kansas City. Just keep that in mind. But anyway, let's open up the sunroof. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that nice? And yes, you can go further with it. So you can do, they go further back. There we go. Pretty nice. All right, so let's go back. And have mobile apps. Of course, I don't think there's anything installed. There's Nav. I'll show you. Oh, I have to get out of settings. Let me just hit Nav. There you go. Definitely working. I'm currently in Kansas City, Kansas, as you can see. So very nice. And then I think what I want to do is connect my device. Add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Yeah. Okay. Get my iPhone.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Blah, 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 blah. Okay. All right, I'm going to change the source to iPhone. It's playing my YouTube video I was watching earlier. That's funny. It's playing the YouTube video I was watching way earlier. So I don't want it to play that because that's not music. Let me go to Spotify. That sounds crazy. It's distorted on purpose. So yeah, definitely works well with the iPhone. It would work even better if I had Apple Car Sync set up, but it's not my car. I'm not gonna do all that. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So that's cool. I do want to show you the front, so we'll go to the front. And it definitely helps having running boards, especially if you're short like I am. First of all, the handles light up, which is amazing. So cool. Then you got your standard headlights. The emblem also lights up. Now, it's going to look weird on camera because of the refresh rate. But yeah, definitely is pretty cool. Sorry, somebody's revving. It's a massive truck. It really is. I love the back. The light bar in the back is so cool. Keep in mind, this is a 2019. It's so nice. Obviously, review camera right there. There's a button there that unlocks the trunk. There it is. Very nice. You have your controls back here. So third row can go down. See that? Very nice. So yeah, you can, effectively haul stuff in this, but let's be real, you're really gonna haul something in something this nice. I mean, I guess you could. I wouldn't. And you can also move the back row as well. The same controls. Not going to do that. But very cool. You've got buttons here for the third row passengers to, looks like it's climate control. No, it's not. It's moving the seats. I'm dumb. Now they're going back up. I don't know. I may have hit that for them to go back up, but they're going back up, so that's cool. And they can simultaneously go up and down for some reason. So that's the thing. Kind of don't know what I'm doing and why that one keeps going up and down. It's so cool. I love it though. So let me get these back up. Okay, I just hit the button on the other one. As you can see, you can bring them down. You can all three of them. So pretty cool. So that's the back, and everything is effortlessly easy to open and close, which is nice. So as you can see. So yeah, that's really a brief all-around view of the car. I think the last thing I'm gonna get is driving the car, and that'll really be it. It's one thing to view it, but it's a whole other thing to drive it. It's a really comfortable ride, extremely comfortable. So, all right, yeah, we're gonna cut to driving it. Also, to put it in gear, you just press the button. That's all you do. And up here, as you can see on the screen, you get a top view using a little bit of AI, I believe, and the camera's all around the truck itself, which is nice. It's quite nice. All right, now we're just gonna put it in drive. Again, just hit the button. Simple as that. And off we go. All right. So I don't know if you can see that, because I can see it in real life, but I cannot see it on the screen at all.
Now you gotta help when you're going down the side street.
Yeah. They have the display, so. Imagine taking the bus. I'm sorry, that's a bad joke. I had to say while I was in this thing. Act like I own this. I'm still leave that in there. my viewers will get it. Look at the joke. Citadel campus. That's a pretty good turning radius.
Yeah, for
The cruise, I would have had it back up, and no, I'm just joking. It's not that bad, but it's not good. The cruise it make me mad. I'm like, you are a small car. Why is your turning radius like a semi? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I think I have to be in a darker area, but there is a heads-up display. You can kind of see it. I'll probably have to zoom in and post. This thing very much it's like a dream driving this. It's so smooth. So shout out to Lincoln. Good president, good cars. It's not the same Lincoln, I know. It's a joke. Doesn't Ford own Lincoln?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like a Ford but better. I'll pick this over a Ford any day. So, but yeah, no, this is quite the truck. All right, yeah, you can definitely see the heads-up display now. Look at that. I'll zoom in closer so you can see it, but yeah, there it is. Clear as day now. So there you have it. That is quite the beast of a truck, and a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm gonna get some video of it pulling in. But yeah, so yeah, I'll get some video of it pulling in.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's so nice.
Well, that freaks me out. Let's see the white on the ground back there, but it's the light. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
I was like, what is that?
That's funny. That does look freaky. All right, Nick's gonna pull it in. That's my brother. You all know him. Well, you know of him anyway. So shout out to him for holding the camera during some of the filming. So sometimes you need a second set of hands, and especially when it comes to driving a truck, a very expensive truck that isn't yours, and you don't want to wreck it. She's quite the beast. In fact, that's what I would name it if it was mine. I'd call her the Beast. What a vehicle. Quite nice. Very nice.
A lot of money in this garage right now.
Yeah. One of these days when your Grand National's up to whatever, we gotta do videos on it or something.
Yeah, you can put it on there now. Projects.
All right. I do have several car guys who are subscribed to me, so I know they're seeing some actual gold here, you know.
Yeah.
A few things. You know, your standard issue Grand National. 65? 6. Speaking of, I have a 64 Impala. I think it's a Racing Champions or something that was paused.
Do you still have that 118 scale with gold wheels on it?
Gold wheels.
It's like a dark blue with some pink and purple on it.
No.
You don't have that?
I don't know where that is.
Man, I missed that one.
I
It
don't.
was there forever.
It was at my house?
Yeah. On the bookshelf downstairs.
Oh, yeah. I do.
You do
It's
that?
listed on eBay, yes.
Oh, take it off.
Do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't see that thing
It's
anywhere
it's
anymore.
it's damaged though because the convertible top is up,
Yeah.
but it's flaking off really bad.
Okay.
So,
Oh, I remember you showed me that.
yeah,
I don't care.
it's gotten worse.
Yeah.
It's in. I just put it in storage right before all.
I'll repaint the top.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you said something, so I
Heck
can pull it up
bro.
you.
I was thinking about that the other day, and I was like, oh, I wonder if he has that. It's got the gold Dayton's on it.
Yeah, I got that from Walmart years ago.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't even know what it's worth. It's actually not on eBay. It's going to be on eBay, but I'm not going to put it up. So
Sweet. Yeah, I'd appreciate it.
yeah, you just have to repaint the.
I still have all our model cars from